My name is Henry Williams. I had a fusion 360. It's the procedure that he did on me. Prior to surgery, I had some discomfort in my back with pain shooting down on on both legs, all the way down to my feet. It became very painful to walk and basically just to do daily movements, from sitting up to laying down. The pain was off and on for roughly about, I would say probably about 6 months or so, and then became pretty consistent after that. I did injure my back some years ago when I used to drive trucks, but at the time it was believed to be a bulging disc with spinal stenosis, nothing that seemed very serious at the time. So I think over the years it just progressed and got worse into where my disc ended up rupturing. I feel 100% better right now. Have full movement, no limitations, absolutely no pain whatsoever. Surgery went well. The rehab went well. I'm glad I did it. In a year now, year and 3, maybe 4 months now since my surgery. Would definitely recommend them to go get checked out and seek professional advice. Find out exactly what's causing the pain, and seeing that, if rehab is not going to work, then definitely seek out the best surgeon, which I'm grateful for Dr. Francis, me personally. But definitely seek all, the medical advice you can get, and, before, pursuing with surgery, to make sure that that's the best option for you. Definitely, I would definitely recommend anyone to come see Dr. Francis.